These are garlic scapes, and if you're throwing them away, you're throwing away one of the best things your garden can give you. Before I show you how to use them, let me show you what scapes are and why we cut them. The scape is the flower that the garlic is trying to put up, and they send them up in late spring, early summer. By removing these, it's been shown you can increase the size of the finished bulb by up to 30%. And that's a good reason to cut them, but it's not my favorite reason. Because not only does it increase bulb size, but they're delicious. Now you want to get them when they're in this curled stage. If you wait for them to go too long, they can get pretty tough. So I'm just going to go and remove these. And this is one of the easiest jobs in the garden. And if you miss a few, that's okay. You can come back and get them later. So one of the reasons I really enjoy growing garlic is because I get two harvests. The scapes now and the bulbs later. Most gardening videos stop here, cutting off the scapes. But for me, this is where it gets interesting because they're delicious. Let's see what I can do with them in the kitchen. The easiest use is probably eggs. A quick saute, a couple of eggs, a little bit of cheese, and you've got breakfast. Another great way to use them is add them to basil and nuts and Parmesan, make a quick pesto. And when you add that to some hot pasta, it's a quick and simple dinner that really lets the flavors of the garlic scape shine. And the last way for today is adding them into a stir fry. This is beef and mushroom, and they add a nice crunch and good flavor with a texture like green beans or asparagus. So if your hardneck garlic scapes are starting to curl, get them now before they get tough and enjoy them in the kitchen.